In the month of November, in celebrating the yearly harvest of the year. During this festival, the first crop of rice will be cooked in the bamboo in the corner of the house by small boys and girls. We can see how the busy girls cooking ahuna in the bamboo and the manfolk sharps their dows as they prepares for ahuna celebration. Cultural practices. After the end of a year's work and harvest, the villagers prepares for the coming festival called Tulini and Ahuna festivals of Sumi Naga tribe. For that, the villagers go to the jungle to pull a mithun to be used for the feast. The menfolk wear traditional attires, singing songs as they pull the mithun towards the village. Killing of mithuns are usually done during important occasions. As the festival begins, women sing folk songs, sharing folk tales, feasting being an important part among the villagers, showing their cooperation. Ayakızılay is a folk song sung by women folk while making traditional shawl. Different shawls are made by weaving, which is made by cotton. It is plucked from the cotton trees, after which it is spun to make yarn for weaving beautiful shawls. On the other hand, menfolk sing melodious folk songs with flutes to celebrate the harvest festival. And making of ornaments made by menfolk to be presented to women. The practice of cutting logs to make ahotsu, which the cultural troupe joined hands together to pull the log towards the village headman's house. And place it in front of the gate, which is to signify the wealth of a village headman. It cannot be placed at any ordinary place. The cultural troupe dances around the log tree, after which the women folk feed the man folk once the dancing is over. With the coming of Christianity in Nagaland, brought by American missionaries, the mindset of the people in all areas has been drastically transformed in the life of the people. especially in the field of education and religion. In education sector, small schools in the village is the foundation for human development, where the school children begins to learn from the teachers.
B H I S M I Pisani G.
And now, many leaders have come up from this very village of Pisami in various fields. Even the director of this documentary himself, who is a musician and event manager in Nagaland. A traditional practice of head hunting, worshipping spirit, practicing rituals has been completely changed through the coming of the gospel of Christ in our land. And now, head hunting culture has become the soul-winning mission for every believer. People go to church to worship the true and living God, singing melodious songs, conduct of Sunday worship services, and pray has become a regular practice in the village today.
How